Good morning. This is the podcast Ancient Rome Today. This episode is dedicated to a very specific but fascinating topic which caused much interest in ancient peoples like the Babylonians, Egyptians, and Greeks, as well as modern ones. So today we'll talk about astronomy and astrology in ancient Rome. First of all, it's important to note that those were not Romans who studied the stars and celestial bodies. Those were Babylonians, Egyptians, and Greeks, who began observing celestial bodies and their movements many centuries before the founding of Rome. They were curious about the universe and the creation of related philosophical theories. In ancient Greece, astrology emerged on the basis of a strong belief that the heavens and earth were connected in some mysterious way. This idea had a profound effect on Greek culture and philosophy. The movement of the planets, the sun, the moon, and the stars, indeed, attracted much attention in the ancient world in general. The Romans and other ancient peoples believed that celestial bodies influenced human life and events. As we know, the Romans have always been rather pragmatic. Thus, they applied Greek astronomical and astrological studies to day-to-day life, including navigation, agriculture, mass influence, and other things. In fact, in the Roman world, commercial activity was always prospering. Thus, understanding the movement of celestial bodies and constellations helped merchants to navigate by sea and land. This knowledge was also very helpful for military operations. Astronomy greatly helped legions to reach the enemy's camp quickly and effectively. Astronomy was also very useful for farmers since it explained the change of seasons based on the sun appearance in the sky. It also provided information on lunar cycles, which were always crucial for planting crops. In ancient times, astronomy was always closely linked to astrology. The Romans believed strongly in omens and oracles, and astrology was seen as a means of predicting the future. Astrological ideas had an impact on all levels of Roman society, even in state affairs. For example, Emperor Tiberius and other Roman emperors often relied on astrologers' advice before making important decisions. With the rise of Christianity in the Roman Empire, astronomy and astrology took separate ways. What's more, their importance was significantly diminished and then abolished, since Christians considered it a form of pagan magic.